Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my room. And I want you all to join me as we redecorate my room together. And I'm also going to be organizing my room. I'm going to be repainting my room as well. I was already at the verge of doing this and I said, wait, why don't I carry my subscribers along? If you look at the wall closely, you will notice some stains on it. Originally the room is painted all white. Okay, so those paints must have been as a result of maybe makeup or maybe handprints. Anything must have caused the stain. And today I'm definitely going to be getting rid of those paints. I'm not painting the whole room because they are not that bad. I'm just going to be touching those areas that needs attention. And I'm still going to be having some of my stuff in the room while I paint the room because I'm not a messy painter. And they're not going to get stained anyway, coupled with the fact that it's not a serious painting anyway. And this is me just showing off my face. Alright, so I tried my best to move some of the stuff out into my kids' room and in the corridor as well because my corridor is very tiny, but I'll just do what I can. You guys won't believe that I am just coming back from work. As you can see me, I just returned back from work in this video and I said, no, enough, I've had enough. I'm going to be doing this room today, whether the devil likes it or not. Oh my god, I love myself so much. I'm very strong. I can't believe I did this. In a couple of hours, I'm already done. I'm like, oh my god, have I just finished this whole process? And I'm even going to be working the following day, but I was just doing what I need to do. I'm like, I'll see what I can do. If I can't finish it, all right, it's no problem. I don't mind even spending the night in my kids' room. But I'm so surprised I did everything before the day went really dark. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your great support. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up at the end of this video. Please. It's very much important. I'll appreciate your great love and support. So keep watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this video.